In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. So whether you're an experienced user or just getting started, you'll find this guide handy to create a dynamic, visually engaging dashboard. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Monday workspace page. If you're not already there, open it up and find your KPI board. This is where all your important metrics and data are stored, which plays a pivotal role as we integrate it with our new dashboard. Assuming you've got the right board in view, let's get creative. Look to the left side of your screen for a blue plus sign button. It's your trusty gateway to adding new elements within Monday.com. Clicking this button will open a menu where we can select different options. Here you're going to search for Dashboard. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed to the next step. With your dashboard option selected, it's time to personalize it. Go ahead and rename it to something meaningful like KPI dashboard. This name will help you distinguish it from other dashboards you might be handling, making it easy to navigate back in the future. After renaming, find the Create Dashboard button and click it. This will officially set up your new dashboard framework. But we're not stopping here. A dashboard is only as good as the data it displays. You'll need to connect it with a board. Choose the board you want to integrate with your new dashboard, allowing insights and data to flow in seamlessly. With your board selected, click Done to finalize the integration. After loading, you will see the basic structure of your dashboard. Now comes the fun part, adding widgets that display your key metrics. To customize your dashboard further, look for the Add Widget button. This offers a variety of options like charts, graphs, and more depending on your needs. Let's try adding a chart for visual impact. Click on Chart to begin setting it up. Adjusting the chart data to your preference is straightforward. In the chart widget, locate the three dotted line on its upper right corner and click on them to access the widget settings. In the settings, select your preferred chart type. This might be a bar graph, line chart, pie chart, or whichever format best represents your data. Then click on Values to specify exactly which data to visualize. For example, selecting revenue will let you monitor financial performance at a glance. Once your data selections reflect your goals, you can close the settings window. As you review your dashboard, remember you can always tweak these settings to fine-tune what you see as things evolve. And there you have it, a tailored KPI dashboard that provides actionable insights at a glance.